Hey everyone, how's it going? It's your boy JD coming at you with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Toyota Prius headlight system, namely in the 4th gen Toyota Prius. Now, we all know that some Toyota Prius models in the 4th gen, like the 2020 Toyota Prius, they actually swivel to the left or to the right a little bit, but that is not applicable for the Toyota Prius Prime. The Toyota Prius Prime is just going to have to deal with the headlight system that it has, and it does not come with auto leveling or anything awesome like that, and we don't get any sort of, cornering light system or anything cool like that. So what we're gonna have to deal with is just this. The headlights are extremely bright going forwards, but we can't see anything. Like, this is where I'm looking right now, and if I just glance over, that's it. That's all the visibility that I have. It is just atrocious. So, just to bring us to the point of the video, I've installed these pot lights that they kind of extend the range of visibility out to the very corner. So that way I'm able to see what's going on to the left and to the right of me. And I don't know, I just find that it is extremely helpful, and the products were extremely cheap and affordable. The pot lights themselves, or the fog lights, they were about $25–26 for the set. The relay with the switch I got from AutoZone, that was maybe $15 or $20, and the additional wiring that it came with was pretty helpful, but I did have to buy additional wiring. And I will just show you how I connected them. So we gotta first open the hood. And here is the wiring. So from pot light to pot light, I basically just connected the positive to positive, and then I just extended the wires down to the fuse box, and I just found a 10 amp relay that I just connected to. And then I had a positive source, which was down here, and the ground, which I actually had to extend out a little bit because the original relay wires that it came with, or the wires that it came with the relay, it just wasn't as sufficient, so I did have to buy additional wires from AutoZone. Oh, that was bright, or that was scary and loud. So here, I'll also include this product down here. It's like a C-clamp almost. And basically, I'm sorry you guys, so basically what that does is, well, it's a C-clamp, so it just connects to the hood of the car without any drilling necessary. Now, there was a problem. When you get these C-clamps, if you look carefully, I needed 2 sets of washers, because when you screw this part in, it wants to stop, and this becomes very loose, so you need another washer that's a little bit thicker, so that way it kind of holds everything together. And you'll know what I'm talking about when you make this purchase. But negative to negative connected to this one, and then just down through the fender and through the fuse. So just for now, it went down through the fender and through this little gap because I couldn't find a grommet. So there is a little hole in the siding there, and just for now I have the switch here, but I do have plans on moving that switch and all this wiring underneath and through the dash, and maybe mount it down here or something, but I really gotta figure out what I want to do there first. But if you guys are having issues with visibility, these pot lights do an amazing job. I mean, look at that. Incredible. So here is an example of where I live, or near the street. As you can see, without the pot lights, it gets very dark. So with them, it's as clear as day. You can see very clearly it's almost 180 degree field of vision. And that is exactly what we need with these cars, just in general. We do need cornering lights. I do believe that, you know, it's a necessary item. Now, the reason why I feel that this is necessary is not because I can't see to the left or to the right, you guys, but I've driven many different cars, BMWs, Mercedes-Benz, Subarus, Hyundais, many different makes and models cars, and I have never had as much issue with visibility as I do with Toyotas. I just think that there could be more. There's a lot to be desired with these cars, and there's a lot of improvements that are needed. But that just with that being said, that concludes the video. I have to conclude the video there. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll like and comment in the video as well. If there's anything that I can do to make these videos more informative, a little bit more clear, concise, please let me know in the comment section below. I will be posting what these products are, or the brands, and the relays that I've used, the switches, the wiring, the specific products that I use to purchase, or things like that. I will put everything in the comment section in the box below, so that way you guys can make the best decision when it comes to your specific vehicle make and model. But these seat clamps work amazingly well. The only poopy thing is you're gonna have to get a slightly thicker washer, because it just won't, it's not gonna sit well with its current washer system. It's just too thin, and it's going to poke into your your hood, and it's going to scratch it. But anyhow, other than that, like, comment, subscribe. If there's anything else that I can do, let me know in the comment section below. Have a good one.